Psyllium husk is a natural fiber. It comes from the Plantago ovata plant. This plant grows in parts of Asia. Psyllium husk is a popular health supplement. People use it for its digestive benefits. It is also known to help lower cholesterol. This natural wonder acts like a sponge in your gut. It absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance. This process aids in digestion and promotes regularity. Cholesterol is a fatty substance in our blood. It is essential for building cells, but too much of it can be harmful. Our bodies produce cholesterol naturally, but it also comes from the foods we eat, especially those high in saturated fats. High cholesterol can lead to heart problems. When there is too much cholesterol in the blood, it can build up on the walls of the arteries, forming plaque. This plaque can narrow the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow through. Over time, this can lead to serious conditions such as heart attacks and strokes. Psyllium husk can be a powerful ally in managing cholesterol levels. Derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, psyllium husk is a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to have numerous health benefits. It is often used as a dietary supplement to improve digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in psyllium husk binds to cholesterol in the gut. When consumed, it forms a gel-like substance that traps cholesterol and bile acids, which are then excreted from the body. This process helps to reduce the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed into the bloodstream. This binding action prevents cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream. By reducing the absorption of cholesterol, psyllium husk helps to lower overall cholesterol levels, including LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. As a result, it helps lower total cholesterol and bad cholesterol, also known as LDL levels. Lowering LDL cholesterol is important because high levels of LDL can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which increases the risk of heart disease. Lowering LDL cholesterol is crucial for heart health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and the inclusion of psyllium husk in your daily routine can all contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. High LDL levels contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. By incorporating psyllium husk into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health and overall well-being. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. Psyllium husk offers numerous benefits for heart health. It goes beyond just lowering cholesterol. By reducing cholesterol levels, psyllium husk helps prevent the formation of artery-clogging plaque. This plaque buildup can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, psyllium husk may help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is another major risk factor for heart disease. Numerous studies support the cholesterol-lowering effects of psyllium husk. Research shows that psyllium husk can significantly reduce total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that psyllium husk supplementation lowered LDL cholesterol by 7%. This reduction is significant for improving heart health. Another study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that psyllium husk, combined with a healthy diet, effectively reduced cholesterol levels in people with high cholesterol. Section 5. Heart Health Harmony. Psyllium husk's impact. Psyllium husk's benefits extend beyond cholesterol and blood pressure. It contributes to overall heart health in several ways. The fiber in psyllium husk promotes regular bowel movements. This regularity helps remove waste products from the body, reducing the strain on the heart. Psyllium husk also acts as a prebiotic. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better heart health. Section 6. Incorporating psyllium husk. Dosage and usage. Adding psyllium husk to your diet is simple. It is available in various forms, including powder, capsules, and wafers. The recommended dosage of psyllium husk varies depending on the individual and the reason for use. It's essential to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed. It's crucial to drink plenty of water when taking psyllium husk. The fiber absorbs water and can cause constipation if not taken with enough fluids. Section 7. Starting safely, potential side effects and precautions. Psyllium husk is generally safe for most people. However, some individuals may experience mild side effects, especially when starting. Common side effects include gas, bloating, and stomach cramps. These effects usually subside with regular use as the body adjusts. It's essential to talk to your doctor before taking Psyllium Husk, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Section 8. Psyllium Husk and blood pressure, a winning combination. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease. It affects millions of people worldwide and can lead to severe health complications if not managed properly. Hypertension often goes unnoticed because it doesn't always present clear symptoms, earning it the nickname the silent killer. Regular monitoring and lifestyle changes are essential for managing this condition. Psyllium Husk, a form of soluble fiber derived from the seeds of Plantago ovata, may play a role in lowering blood pressure. This natural supplement is commonly used to improve digestive health, but its benefits extend beyond just aiding digestion. Incorporating Psyllium Husk into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support overall cardiovascular health. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that Psyllium Husk supplementation can lead to modest reductions in blood pressure. These studies indicate that the fiber in Psyllium Husk helps to reduce cholesterol levels, which in turn can have a positive impact on blood pressure. The exact mechanisms are still being explored, but the preliminary findings are promising. This effect may be due to its fiber content and its ability to promote weight loss. A diet rich in fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. Weight loss is a key factor in lowering blood pressure, as excess weight puts additional strain on the heart and blood vessels. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for reducing the strain on the heart and blood vessels, lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and stress management are all important components of a heart-healthy lifestyle. By incorporating Psyllium Husk into your daily routine, along with these other healthy habits, you can take proactive steps towards better heart health and overall well-being. Section 9. Beyond cholesterol, Psyllium Husk's digestive benefits. Psyllium Husk is well known for its digestive benefits. Its soluble fiber content makes it a gentle and effective way to promote regularity and relieve constipation. When Psyllium Husk comes into contact with water, it forms a gel-like substance. This gel adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. Regular bowel movements are essential for removing waste products from the body and preventing digestive discomfort. Section 10. Psyllium Husk, a holistic approach to health. Psyllium Husk's benefits extend beyond heart and digestive health. It contributes to overall well-being by promoting a healthy lifestyle. The fiber in Psyllium Husk can aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. This satiety can help reduce calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. Additionally, Psyllium Husk's prebiotic properties contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to improved immunity and overall health. Section 11. Embrace the power of Psyllium Husk. Psyllium Husk is a natural powerhouse with numerous health benefits, particularly for cholesterol and heart health. Derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, Psyllium Husk is rich in soluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. This fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, aiding in the smooth passage of waste through the digestive tract. Its ability to lower cholesterol levels, promote healthy blood pressure, and support digestive regularity makes it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Studies have shown that regular consumption of Psyllium Husk can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while having a minimal effect on HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This balance is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. Incorporating Psyllium Husk into your daily routine is simple and can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. You can add it to smoothies, sprinkle it over your breakfast cereal, or mix it into a glass of water. The versatility of Psyllium Husk makes it easy to include in various meals and snacks, ensuring you get your daily dose of this beneficial fiber. Embrace the power of this natural wonder and experience the transformative effects on your health. Regular intake of Psyllium Husk can lead to improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a general sense of well-being. Many people report feeling more energetic and less bloated after incorporating Psyllium Husk into their diet. Remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. While Psyllium Husk is generally safe for most people, it's always best to get personalized advice from a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. By doing so, you can ensure that you are making the best choices for your health and well-being.